recording of every session. Yes, good evening, all of you. All right. I think we are good to start the session. We welcome you all to our Microsoft Elevate GTU Internship Orientation webinar. And already you might have attended a webinar, an introductory webinar last month, I believe. Right. So this is going to be your orientation. And thank you so much for taking your time and joining us today. Over the next 3 hours, we will be walking you through what this internship is about, how the sessions are structured, and how it can support your career journey as you step closer to the industry. Right. So today's session is mainly to give you the clarity, and we are going to explain you literally how the program is going to work, the learning flow, how the learning flow is going to look like, or what is expected from each of you as participants. Right. And along with that, you're also going to get yourselves registered onto two different platforms. One is Microsoft Learn, and two is your Microsoft Elevate LMS. Okay, so have your credentials ready, and when we share the registration links, please follow the instructor's instructions and get yourselves registered onto the platform. And by end of this session, you should have a complete picture of how this internship fits into your academic and career paths. Right? Are we all ready? If ready, you can drop ready in the chat. I would like to see the responses from all of you. Please make this session an interactive one, right? So follow the instructions then and there and do it accordingly. Okay. And on the title slide itself, you've got the information that it is going to be a 360-hour Microsoft Elevate internship, especially for the GTU students from 8th semester. And today is your first session. That is nothing but your orientation. And the timing is from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Right? Yes. And this content is curated from online and offline resources for the educational purpose. Next is learning objective. So the idea behind this Microsoft Elevate Skills program is very simple, right? We just want to make the learning practical, relevant, and aligned with what the industry actually needs from all of you on a daily basis, right? We're just making the learning process very simple. Instead of just theory, you will be learning directly from the experts, right? All our trainers are industry verified experts, right? And you will be made to work on real tools used in the industry, and you will get a great exposure to how AI works, how cloud technologies works, or how any other technologies works, or how this AI is applied in the real world scenarios, right? Okay. Then what do we offer in these sessions? As you already know, we're not going to give you any theoretical thing. You will be learning stuffs, but practically, right? You will be introduced to different tools, and along the way, you will also be interacting with the trainers through your webinars, and you will also be doing hands-on projects side by side. It's not just going to be a learning, just learning. You're also going to do hands-on practice, and as a result of that, you will also be doing your own project work. Right? By end of the program, the goal is to ensure that you're not just learning the theory part, you're also building your skills that can genuinely prepare you for your career. Okay? Is that clear, all of you? Yes. And this is what is explained here. Expert-led training will be given to you. You will be learning about AI and many other technologies. And this is going to be industry-based webinar, and welcome to our internship program. Right, so this is the basic objective we set for all of you. Please do not spam the chat, students. Sonu Christian, right? See, students, it's not just you are changing names and spamming the chat. We will also be taking your email IDs in the backend. It'll be reported to the colleges. So please ensure that you're not playing around in the chat. Be sincere to the internship that you are into. Okay. Now, main course domains that we offer. As you all know that it's going to be a 360 hours of learning in which you are going to learn 5 different things. Okay. Microsoft Azure is there, Power BI is there. See, you are going to get introduced to a platform called LMS. Okay. On the LMS, you will be seeing 5 different course domains with a lot of courses. And not just that, you will also be given 2 different platforms. One is Microsoft Learn, where you can take n number of courses for free of cost. And number 2 is your AI Skills Navigator platform. Already we have told you about AI Skills Navigator in our previous session, right? So, which is like a very customized website which offers you a lot of courses. So similarly, this LMS is just a website where you can access the courses very easily and you can see the progress also. And LMS is the place where you will get your course completion certificates, where you will get your internship certificates, but that will happen later. In the last week only, we'll be able to get the updates on that. But meanwhile, in these, in between time, we would request you to explore the offered courses like Microsoft Azure, Power BI for business applications, AI ML, right? Artificial intelligence and machine learning, cloud administration, right? And development and automation is nothing but Microsoft Copilot. So there are these 5 different course domains offered to you, right? So have some time for you in the evening only. We are doing this session, right? Just get yourself some free time, explore the courses. For each and every course that you complete, you will be able to get your certifications and credentials, right? On Microsoft Learn itself, you will get your trophies as in there is this achievement link which you will get. When you click on that, you will get your Microsoft certificates. And second thing, this course completion. LMS is the only place where you will get your course completion certificates. And not just that, for GTU, you will also be getting your internship completion certificate when you are completing all these 5 courses and you submit your internship project into the LMS. And after that, you will get 2 certificates. One is your course completion, not just 2. Course completion can be given to all these 5 domains, plus 1 internship completion. Just think of that. Okay. And apart from that, you will get n number of course completion certificates from the MS Learn platform itself. Clear, all of you? If it is clear, just tell me clear in the chat. Yes. Thank you so much. So these are the domain courses that you will be seeing in your LMS. Okay. Now, where can you apply these skills? Now, most of you might have got this question in your mind, right? A very common question. Students ask, yes, ma'am, where do I actually use these skills? The answer is almost everywhere, right? Whether you're interested in roles related to AI or machine learning or data or cloud technologies, these skills that you're going to learn from this internship can be applied in multiple different careers, right? So beyond your job roles, you will see AI is already transforming industries like healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, and in fact, it is solving real life problems, right? Even in our day-to-day work, no matter what, whether I'm into technical or non-technical side, I have been using AI in my day-to-day life, right? Because it helps us to make better decisions, and also it automates the routine tasks. Is my voice not clear, everybody? Is it clear to all of you? It is clear. So please rejoin if you have any audio issues. Please. Thank you so much for confirming. Right? So because AI helps us to make better decisions, it automates the routine tasks, and it significantly improves the productivity. No matter which role we are into, it helps us to improve the productivity. And for those who are interested in building something of your own, or ma'am, I would like to get into the research, or whatever things that you are into, the knowledge that you are going to gain from these sessions will allow you to create very, very productive things. And you are it allows you to create AI driven solutions, and which allows you to explore so many new ideas with real impact, isn't it? So where can you apply these skills? It helps you with the career opportunities in all the industries almost, right? Industry applications are really very visible. We have been using it everywhere. Workplace efficiency, of course, it helps me with these things: automate tasks, decision making, enhance productivity. And of course, if I wanted to be like an entrepreneur, so definitely it helps me with that also by offering a lot of different solutions, right? So you are going to apply these skills everywhere, right? Now I would request all you to take your phone and scan this QR code. If you are not there in the Telegram group, just scan it right now and get yourself added to the GTU internship group. Everybody, if you have already joined, please send joined in the chat. Everyone, just scan this QR code, get yourself added to the Telegram group. Everyone. Please scan the QR code and get yourself added to the group. We have already started 15 minutes late. Heath, you are saying that you are late to the session. We have already started the session 15 minutes late today. So that's why I request all the students to join 5 minutes prior. That too, today is your orientation. It's okay. If you are late, it's okay. This time you will get the recording. Not a problem. Come on, there is this link in the chat also. If the QR code is not working, you can use the link that is being shared in the chat. All of you. Anybody, any questions so far? If you're already there in the Telegram group, it's fine. Those who haven't joined the Telegram group yet, please use the QR code or use the link that we are sending in the chat and get yourselves added to the group. The reason why I'm asking you to do that is that is the only place where you will be getting all the updates, be it the session reminders or be it the session related updates or the recordings will be shared in the group only, right? All the updates, whatsoever updates that we are doing with the GTU internship sessions, you will be updated in the Telegram group only. If you do not have a Telegram group right now, you can have this link or take a screenshot of this QR code and you can join later also. Clear, all of you? So I think we can move to the next slide and clearly take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. This is the schedule that we are going to follow for your GTU virtual internship. Right, 21st is today. I mean, it's today, right? It's our orientation. Come your first session, 21st Jan. Right? And your next session is on 23rd. And your following session is on 28th. Right? If you see that there is a pattern, right? Can anyone please tell me like which are the days that you are getting the session? It's Wednesday, Friday, and Monday, right? Monday, Wednesday, Friday are the 3 days you are getting your session. So for this week, we skipped Monday. So we are starting from Wednesday, and then Friday is your next session. And the following session is on, okay, Monday is a holiday. 24th is, 26th is a holiday, right? Then, so that week also, Monday we are skipping. So Wednesday. No worries, you will get the reminders in your group itself. In your Telegram group, you will get the updates. AMA session is nothing but ask me anything session, right? In which you can ask your questions. If you have any questions regarding your sessions, you can ask it then. I'll ask I'll ask the trainers to share this detailed schedule in your GTU group also. You can find it under the pinned messages. Okay. So 26th is a holiday. That's why we don't have session on Monday next week, right? Otherwise, you have sessions on every week's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's like alternative days, isn't it? Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 4 to 7, you will have your GTU sessions. And as I mentioned, it's a 12-week program, right? As you can see, these are the week-wise numbers. And this internship is going to go for 12 weeks. That covers 360 hours of learning. Is that clear, all of you? It's very simple. The sessions are happening on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. From 4 to 7, if you ask me about the link will remain the same. The same link which you used today to join this orientation. The link will remain the same. Clear, all of you? All clear? Okay. Now, let's move on to the next slide. See, this is the schedule. And remember, your attendance will be counted. It's not that you are just coming and filling the attendance and going. No. Right? We will be able to take the attendance from the Zoom also. Right? When you're joining, when you're leaving, you're into an internship. It's not a normal session. So be sincere to that. Okay? And your attendances matters. And in between the sessions, you will get your project related inputs. And at the end of this internship, you will be asked to submit your own projects. And later, if you ask us, ma'am or sir, could you please explain it from the first? We can't do that. We won't do that. Right? So please do not miss any session unless if there is any emergency. Right? Even in the emergency situations, please try to manage. This 12 weeks is completely dedicated to you. Right? And you please give importance to that. And this is the schedule. Then requirements, if you ask me, see, forget about these things. But there are only two things that I would like to tell here. Have a nice laptop or a computer, right? Which is in good working condition, number one. Number two, have a decent internet connection. Okay, so these two things are very important. Do not use, any outdated one. Please use a nice computer or laptop in working condition with the recent updates, right? And number two, have good internet connection. Because these two things are really very important. When the trainer explains you something and they want you to try it simultaneously, you are supposed to do that. Right? And you please don't think that you can manage these sessions with your mobile phone. No, you need to do the hands-on, right? So your laptop or computer is compulsory. Clear, all of you? So these 2 points you have to focus on. And then your orientation has successfully started today, right? And going forward, we will be delivering the sessions virtually. And in today's session itself, you will get yourselves registered on the LMS. And then you will be starting your self-paced courses, right? Kindly start with your courses and at least try and complete 1 or 2 within this week. You have time. right? And remember that your internship concludes with the submission of project presentation and completion of courses on the LMS. With this only your internship will get concluded. Clear, all of you? Yes, if that is clear, please send me clear in the chat. I would request the responses from all of you. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Please do not skip any session, or please don't be late to the session. Please complete all your courses then and there, right? And start with your hands-on. Learn as much as things possible, right? And I wish you a very happy learning with us and all the best for your internship. Now I would like to hand over this session to Aman sir. Aman sir, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Just I'm sharing my screen. Meanwhile, so all of you, we are about to start our registration part. Okay, so there will be total 2 registrations. Okay, and I'm sharing my screen as well. Uh, okay, so these things you have already understood. What the learning objective, main course domains, the why we are conducting this session, and you have also joined the group. You know the schedule, you know the requirements and the important points. Okay, so as ma'am said, there will be total 2 registrations. And what is the purpose of the registration? These 2 registrations, one is on MS Learn platform. Just do remember, first is on MS Learn platform, second is on MS Elevate LMS. LMS means Learning Management System. So uh, these two platforms are interrelated. Okay, means there is no use of one platform without other. Okay, so if you are missing any of the registration, you won't be getting certificate, you won't be getting knowledge, you won't be getting anything. Okay, so make sure that for next for this entire session especially, there's nothing like for any particular chunk. Make sure that you are available. Okay, make sure that you are keep yourself handy with all the stuff. Okay, make sure internet connection work really fine. Okay, so now we are about to start our first registration, that is on MS Elevate LMS. Understood? So now I request Drishti, please share the link if not shared till now. Yeah, thank you. So guys, I request all of you to either you can scan the QR code, or Drishti has already given the links in the chat that you can use. Okay, and then you will land upon a particular page, something like this, page. Okay, page might not look exactly like this, because ads are going on and some other stuff is also there. So but somewhere something like this particular page you will see. Okay, either you can scan the QR code, or if you are on laptop, that is great. So you can simply click on the link that is shared by Drishti in the chat section. Okay, then automatically you will land upon this particular page. Now This is MS Learn platform. If you are already having the account on this particular platform, good. In that case, simply sign in and wait for us to reach there. If you are not having the account, and I am assuming 90% of the people might not have the account, it's okay. So please do with me. Okay. Okay. Do with us. If you are having the account, good. Please sign in. Now, how to sign in? So in that case, if you have reached here, link is already there in the group chat. Okay. Either you can scan the QR code. I'm assuming you might have scanned it. So now you will be able to see this kind of interface. Now, in this case, you need to click on sign in button. You will be able to see, yeah, if you are having already one account on Microsoft on this particular platform, it's good. Okay, it will work. No worries. So now you need to, yeah, it will work. No worries. Okay, but you need if you are having with different mail, with different Gmail domain, if you are having account with different Gmail domain, okay, then it will work. Please keep that handy. Okay, keep that email ID handy because we'll be using that in next registration. Okay, good. So if you have reached till here, by clicking the link, you might can see one sign in option top right corner. Okay, sign in option. Okay, no, both mails should be same. Okay, both mails should be same. uh, Whatever you have you are using in this particular registration, in the rest registration also you need to use that mail only. Okay. Okay, I am not talking about any other registration, whatever you have used for AICTE. Okay, but make sure that for all the things there should be same mail. It will be really easy for us to maintain the record. Okay. Okay. Okay, so okay, so now once you will click on sign in, you will be able to see this kind of interface. Now, if you are having an account, please put the email, put the password, and please go ahead. Okay, go ahead. But if you are not having the password, not having the email, oh sorry, not having the password or not have the account, in that case, please create one. Please click on create one. Okay. The link is not loading. Okay, please, can you please check whether it is loading properly or not? I think it is loading. I'm also checking it. Yes, guys, it is loading for me. It is working properly. Yes. Thank you everyone for this. So it is properly working. I have just checked myself. It's working, guys. It's working. If by any chance it is not working for you, you need to please check your internet connection. Also check whether you have other tabs are also open. If in that case, please close other tabs and let only this particular tab open. Okay. Okay. So now, in that case, you need to click on create one. Once you will do this, okay. Once you will do this, it will ask you to put your Gmail ID. Gmail ID. Okay, you need to use your Gmail ID. Okay, only. Okay, you need to use your Gmail ID only. No college ID, nothing. Gmail ID, personal Gmail ID. Okay, so if in that case, if you are having the account but with a different mail ID, okay, you need to use that mail ID only then. Okay, for next registration, please use that mail ID only. If you are already having the account, just imagine you are having the account with name abcxyz@gmail.com. Then in that case, please sign in right now. And when we'll start the next registration now for LMS, you have to use this mail ID only, abcxyz@gmail.com. I'm again telling, please don't use any other account. No, no, only Gmail. Only Gmail. Okay? Only Gmail account. Okay? Let's make the thing clear, because it's not the session of 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 hours. It will take your so many days. It will take your so much time. So let's not, compromise on something. Let's not compromise on certificates. Let's not compromise on the data. Okay? So whatever data is required, whatever steps are required, please comply to those things and please do the needful. Bhagi Patel, can we have different account on MS Learn than registered in internship? Uh, it is not recommended. Katika ma'am, any inputs on this? Can they have different account apart from this internship?
If it is a non-Gmail account, we can't do anything for that because Microsoft Learn will accept only the Gmail one, right?
Yes.
So they can use the Gmail one, and while they fill the LMS in the profile section, they have to mention this registered email ID properly. Like whatsoever they are using on MS Learn, they have to fill it there properly.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So, all of you, please mark this thing. You should have the Gmail account only. So no Outlook. I think it's now clear. Okay. Okay. So please make sure that you are having the account. Okay. 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 So, okay. I hope now it's clear.
Aman sir, just one moment.
Yes.
So students, the reason why we are asking you to do it properly means because next you will be registering yourselves on the LMS. Okay. On the LMS, you will be asked to fill your profile section. And there are two things that you take from MS Learn. One is your email ID that you are registering here. Two is your Microsoft Learn code. So these two things you have to fill there properly. Otherwise, whatever completions that you are marking on the LMS won't be reflecting. So please ensure that you're not making any mistakes on this. And whatever details that you are going to fill on the LMS profile section can't be redone. Okay, you can't change it. So please do things properly. Yes, sir, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Okay. So, okay, so please use the Gmail ID. Okay. So now, okay. So if you have filled your Gmail ID and you have created your account, so now you need to put your password. Okay. So when you will put your password, it will ask about your birth date, your country and region. Okay. Okay. Then you need to again click on next after filling this. Okay. So what we have done till now, you have this link that is shared in the chat. Then you clicked on sign in. If you are already having the account, please do sign in, put the password, and it will work. Make sure that account, whatever account you are having, if you are already having previously, it's perfect, but that should be a Gmail account. To give you certificate, Microsoft will only accept Gmail account. So if you are having account but that is not of Gmail, please create one with us. Okay, let's not take the risk. Okay, now there were few people who said like we have already the account and we have already few achievements as well. It's good, but I don't think you will be having if you are having still you are one in a million. But if you are having all the courses that we have provided here, total 5 courses and 5 certificates, what we are providing here, along with the internship certificate that you will be getting after this. So I think you are one in a million then. But I don't think whatever we are providing here, you might have one, you might have, something, but not everything. Okay. So if you are already having something, let's appreciate that part and continue with others. Okay. So split create one. Then once you'll put your Gmail account ID, then it will ask you to create password. Please create the password. Then it will ask you to put your birth date. Please put it. Then it will send one code to your registered mail ID. Okay. Then you have to go to the inbox, okay, of your Gmail account, where there you will find one verification code. Copy that, paste here, and tick mark this particular check mark this particular option. I would like information, tips, and offers about Microsoft products and services. Okay. So you will get all the necessary notifications from Microsoft, and then click on next. Okay. Now, I hope we all are on the same page. Okay. Okay. This is okay. Remember, this is just a one-time registration. Okay, one-time registration. From the next class onwards, not even next class, after just 1 hour, there will be nothing like that. One more time. Okay, we won't be asking you for any registration. Promise. But right now, it's important. Okay, so be aligned with me and please do the needful. Okay, good one, guys. So I hope we are on the same page and you have uh yes, yes, Rats, I just answered your question. If you had done some courses and you have some certificate, you might not have all the certificate. Okay, so please be here. We wait till the second registration. In after second registration, you will get all the access of the courses, and you will be, clear by yourself, like exactly what you are having and what you can do else. Okay, simple. Okay, good then. So okay, so I hope that you have reached till this place. I hope you have verified your mail. Okay. Is there anyone who is getting stuck here? I hope we all are on the same page. Yes, thank you, Jyoti. Uvesh. Any challenges, Uvesh? Press and hold the button for the verification. So please do verify that. Please do verify that. Okay. It's okay. If they are not asking password, please move forward. They will verify your mail without password. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Done full profile. Good one. If you have done full one, good one. They just asked OTP from my mail. Yes. So they will ask you OTP. Okay. Ansari Arbaz, you can please try it one more time. Okay. Sometimes it gives error. You can try in incognito mode. In private window, you can try. Okay, it will work. Chale. So now let's move forward. Okay. Okay. So now let's move forward. So now it will ask something about your uh, uh, something related to I am not a robot type. Okay. So in that case, you need to solve this small puzzle. Puzzle might be different. Okay. Sometime it asks, sometime it doesn't. Okay. So if it is asking to something like this puzzle, so please solve it. It's easy. You need to just match the same direction. That's it. Okay. Then you will be able to get the things done. Okay. Okay. Uh, we will have to submit weekly assessment authority sign and seal as a part of project report, which we have to submit in college and in GTU as well. How will you provide it? Please give me information. All this information that is required to fill in GTU or whatever, okay? Whatever information is required, we know, guys, that you require all these things. Or every information you will get on your Telegram group. This is the reason why we have created the Telegram group, okay? Okay. If you are not getting it, in that case, please put this here and then everything will let you know. Okay. This is just the first session and just a first hour. Okay. So, okay. So don't worry, you will get each and everything. Okay. Chalo. Okay. Yes, you have to, by any chance, like if you are having some other account that has the certificates and all, I request still you need to have the Gmail ID because Microsoft is only accepting Gmail ID for all the AICT students. Okay. So this is the reason. I understand your concern, but this is the problem. Okay. Okay. No, Vedic, no issues. Okay. It will work. Sure. Uh, Viral, like we are having the first registration right now. Okay, that's it. Okay, chalo. So now let's move forward. Okay. So what we have done till now, we have Dishti, could you please share the link one more time? There might be people who have just come. Yeah, thank you, Dishti. So this is the link, guys. I hope you have clicked on this link. Okay. I hope you have clicked on this link and then you have started your registration. Okay. Let me just quickly share my interface as well, so that it would be really easy for you to guys match. Okay, let's not continue with the PPT. Let's have it with me only. Okay, so you might be able to see this kind of interface, right? You might be able to see this kind of interface. Now, what you need to do, you need to click here, sign in. Click here, sign in. So now, if you are already having the account, then please put your account there and then continue. But by any chance, if you are not having the account, okay, you need to choose next one. So see, right now, I'm already having the account, but let's uh, try to create different account with you. Okay. So if I'm already having the account, I will simply click here. I'll simply put the, okay, you signed as this, and then I'll continue. But I'm not doing that. Okay. Okay. I am trying to create one right with you. Okay. Click on create one. And now please put your new ID password. So let me put my ID password. Okay. So let me do with you. So put your mail like this. Then, oh, I'm so sorry. This is the sign in page, na? So sorry, guys. Okay. This is sign in page. So if I'm already having the account, I need to put here. If I'm already having the account, I need to put here. Okay. If I'm not having the account, I need to create an account. Okay. Let's create an account. Okay. So now this is create an account, create your Microsoft account. So create it, enter, and then next. Okay. Now it has sent one verification mail to my account. Okay. So now let's see. Let's check the inbox. Okay. So okay. So see, this is the mail that I have received to verify my mail. So see, this is the code. There were a few people who said like I am not receiving the code. So just to verify that thing, I have okay simply fixed. Okay. See, now it is asking me to put some details. So I'll put my birth date. Okay. Okay. So now let's put my name, first name, last name. I would like to information, tips, and offers about Microsoft product services. Then click next. Let's prove you are a human. So see, there were a few people who said like he is asking you to put and hold. So simply one, tap 2 times and hold. 1, 2, hold. Okay. How? Tap 2 times. Okay. Tap 2 times. 1, 2, hold. Okay. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Okay. So just hold and it will test it. It's done. See? Okay. To finish your passkey. Okay. It is asking to put some passkey. Just a second. Let me just do this. Okay. See, it's done. Oh, unable to set a file for passkey. Okay. Okay. Continue. It's okay. It wasn't open. I hope we are on the same page and you guys have created the account, right? So it is loading for me. Okay. Chalo. Good one, yaar. Good one, guys. So now let's continue with the second registration. So guys, please, okay, let's put a second registration. So please use this link. Could you please provide the link?
Aman sir, first of all, they have to get the username as well.
Oh yes. Let me just put check on it. Just a second. I'm just signing. I hope it's done, guys, for all of you. I'm just signing. Just a second. I'm just receiving one OTP and 96562. Okay. Okay. So now what we need to do is, if you have created the account, then we need to go with further details. So I hope you have done this part. It was asking me some OTP and all, so it's taking time for me. So let's continue with the PPT only. So now, if you have reached till this part, then we need to copy one important name and number, okay, that we will use in second registration. So guys, this is Kartika's interface. So this particular Gmail ID, whatever you have used here, this is your Microsoft registered mail ID. Okay, please do remember this. This is your Microsoft registered mail ID. Okay, please do remember this. Okay, and please keep that handy. Now, this is the first thing that we need to remember. Now, second thing is, you might be able to see this kind of circle. You might be able to see this kind of circle. Okay, you need to click on this circle. Then you will see settings. Please click on settings. Please click on settings. Okay, please click on settings. Okay, then once you will click on setting, so this is the name and number you will be able to see here. The name and number. This particular name and number is nothing but your MS username. Okay, this is your MS username. Okay, please keep this handy. Please copy this and paste somewhere else. Okay, okay, so because we'll be using this particular thing in our next registration. So this might be your circle. This is circle for me. I'm clicking on this. This is my settings. Clicked. Okay, this is my personal info username, and see, this is my name and this is my number. This is my name, this is my number. So I need to copy and paste it somewhere. Okay, why? Because I'll be using this. Done. So there are two things that you need to copy. First, you need to copy your username. Sorry, username that you can see here right now. Name and number. Okay, along with number, this full. Okay, this full. Then your registered mail ID that you have just used. Okay, so please copy these both things and keep handy. Okay, because we'll be using this in the next registration. Now, Drishtiji, please share the next link in the chat. Okay. So guys, this is the link, elevate.files.in. Okay. This is the MS Elevate LMS link. Please click here. Okay. When I'm clicking here, see, automatically it will open one interface. This kind of interface. Are we on the same page, guys? Are we on the same page? See, why we are doing this? Let me make it very clear. Because through these two platforms only, you will be able to get certificates. To learn the things, There is first registration to get the certificate, second registration. This is how both these two things will go hand in hand. Okay, this is the reason why we are doing this. Okay, so it's good. It's good. Most of the people you have done. If anybody is left, please let us know any challenges. Okay. Okay. Please click on this link and you will be able to see this kind of interface. It's good. So now let's move forward. So now, no, you cannot do registration later. Okay, one more thing, guys. In this session, we'll be asking you to put attendance as well. So if you are not going to do this registration, second one, you are not going to you'll not be able to put attendance. And if you are not putting attendance, you won't be able to get the certificate, even if you are attending the session. So attending the session and putting the attendance, both the things are important, along with the feedback, because feedback also considered as a attendance. Okay. After pass key, don't put pass key. Actually, I had the pass key, but right now my phone is it is almost down. So that's why I'm unable to apply the pass key. But please don't put the pass key. There is no need to put the pass key. Okay, you can skip that part. Okay, if it is asking you to put the pass key, please skip that part. You can just continue. Okay. Okay, if you are not having the laptop, please complete using the mobile phone, but laptop is recommended. So for the people, those who have reached here, please click on get started, or you can also click on login. You can click on get started or you can click on login. Okay, get started or login, anyone. Okay, if I'm clicking on get started, again, same type of interface will come. So by default, it will show you login page. But I am having the account, you are not having the account. So please click on sign up. Start the second. Guys, this is second registration only. This is second registration. We have already completed first. Okay. This type of interface that you will be see this registration we have already completed, that I requested you. Okay. Okay. This was the first. Now, second. Okay. 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 Nice. Got it. Just hold on, guys. Okay. So this is how you need to go. You might be having your mail ID. Okay. We have already onboarded your ID. Thank you, Dishti and Katika ma'am. So we have already onboarded your ID. Okay. So you can directly log in. So please put your mail ID and your password and then enter the CAPTCHA and click on remember me and log in. Okay. Okay. And there is a simple note. Please use only the email ID to which you received the session details, as that is your registered email ID. Okay. So this answers your question. Who are asking, sir, do we have to, can we change the ID? No, you cannot. Okay. You have to use the same mail ID that you have already used. Okay. In the previous registration. Okay. That is already your registered mail ID. Please use that because we have onboarded your ID with that only. So you are already having the registered mail ID and password. Okay. test@1234 is your password, and registered mail ID is your mail ID. Put the CAPTCHA, click on remember me, so that it won't be asking you to put ID password again. If it asks, you can put the same again. Then click on login. Simple. Then, okay, then it will ask you to fill your details. Okay, it will ask you to fill your details. Okay, so please fill your details. Okay, I hope you know your registered mail ID. I hope you know your password. The password is simple, test@1234, and then simple CAPTCHA, whatever there is in the rectangle box. Please put it. Remember me. Login. Then name. The name is your name. Then it comes to Microsoft Learn ID. Microsoft Learn ID is nothing but that I just told you. It is your registered mail ID. Okay, it is your registered mail ID. Okay, it is your registered mail ID that you have used in Microsoft Learn platform in the first registration. I asked you to keep two things handy, right? One was your email ID that you need to put here, and one your name and number that you need to put here. Okay, I asked you to keep two things handy. First, the mail ID that you need to put here, Microsoft Learn ID, and then Microsoft Learn username. What is this? This is your number and name. I hope you remember I asked you to keep one name and number handy. So please copy that and paste it here. Okay. Yes, email ID is same as the first registration. So please show to log in the MS Elevate with MS Learn ID. So this part is simple. You have already have the registered mail ID and your password is test@1234. So it is already onboarded. Okay. So use the same mail ID that you have used to register. Okay. Okay. That mail ID where you have received all the session details. Everything that is about this particular session, where you have received this particular session details, use that mail ID. Okay, no other ID. Okay, and your password and your CAPTCHA. That's it. Then this type of interface will come where it will ask you to put your name. Okay, so you can simply put your name. Then it will ask you to put your Microsoft Learn ID. Microsoft Learn ID is nothing but the ID that you have used in the previous registration. In the previous registration, that email ID. And then second thing is your MS Learn username. So MS Learn username is nothing but your name and number that I requested you to copy. That is your Microsoft Learn username. Then it will ask you to put your mail ID again. So for the people, those who have used the same mail ID again and again, so simply they need to put one more time the same mail ID as Microsoft Learn ID. Okay, simple. Okay, but remember, Microsoft Learn ID is the ID where that you have used in last registration. Remember this thing. Okay, that you cannot change. Okay, Microsoft Learn username is again that you have copied from the last registration, your name and number. Okay, now this is your mail ID that you can keep, and then your phone number, then your gender. Okay, Just a second. Yes. Then your phone number, then your gender, your date of birth, PIN code, okay, branch or specialization, your state, your city, college, okay. Now, your PIN code should be of the city where your college is present. Your state should be where your college is present. Again, your city should be where your college is present. Okay? Okay? So, you need to put all the things related to your college. Okay? PIN code, where your college is present, city, where your college is present, and state, where your college is present. So, of course, if you are putting the city where your college is present, so the PIN code would be of that city. Simple. Simple. So now, done. Very nice. And keep one thing in mind. Whatever you are putting it here, you won't be able to change it. Keep that thing in mind. Okay. So please put each and everything and check it once. Myra, it will work. It will work. Okay. But you cannot choose any other mail ID where you have not received your session details. For this registration, you have to use that mail ID where your session details came, where you have received your session details. Okay, it will only work. Now let me confirm few things. Don't worry, guys. I know you have doubts. I know you have doubts. So I hope you have filled till PIN code, state, city. Now your branch and specialization. For example, I have a specialization in AIML. I have masters in AIML. So AIML. If you have done masters in something, bachelor's, masters, whatever you are doing in something, put it. In which particular specialization you are doing it. Okay, simple. Then city is done, PIN code is done, state is done, your college name is done. Then highest level of education. Highest level of education means that is completed education. Means if you are doing your BTech right now, BTech, BE, whatever you are doing. So means your highest level of education is 12th. Highest level of education is highest level of completed education. If you are currently in BTech, means you have not completed the education. So your highest level is 12th. Now, stream of study, engineering, arts, whatever is there. Most of the people belongs to engineering. So you can click engineering or whatever your stream is. Then year of passing. Year of passing means when you will pass your current education. So if you are doing your bachelor's currently and you are in third year, so you will get passed in, if you are about to start fourth year, you will pass in next year. Okay. If you are in third year, you will pass in 2017. Not 28. Okay. So accordingly, you need to put. So highest level of education, I'm repeating. Highest level of education is what you have completed. Means if you are doing your bachelor's, then 12th is your highest level of education. Now, year of passing means whatever you are doing right now, when you will pass that particular thing. Okay. Okay. Manav Raval, the username does not have the number. No, it would have the number. Okay. It would have the number. See, let me show you. See, guys, Here you will be able to see. Okay, inside, behind this particular rectangle, okay, behind this rectangle, there is a name, and then there is a number 7830. So name and number both will be there for username, Manav. Again, I am repeating. Again, I am telling you, pin code where your college is present. Okay, pin code of the city where your college is present. Okay, and state where your college is present. So simply, let me make it very simple. You have to put the city where your college is present. Now your pin code would be of that city, your state would be of that city. Simple. It doesn't matter where you live. It only matters where your college is present. Done. No, highest level is not 8th semester or 4th semester. Highest level is if you are doing bachelor's, your highest level is 12th. If you are currently doing something, highest level is what you have completed. Don't do mistakes, guys. This is the reason why I'm repeating the things, because you won't be able to edit it, and all the things will get reflected in your certificate and all. Okay, this is the reason why I asked you to please do not go forward. Please follow me only. Okay, chalo.
Aman sir, Kartika this side.
Yeah, ma'am.
So students, those who are saying that you have made the mistake, accidentally and all that, you cannot change it. This is what we've been telling since the first. You cannot change it. So those who are doing it right now, please check it multiple times, proofread things, and then click on submit. Is that clear, all of you? Everyone, those who have made the mistake, we can't do anything now. We've been telling in the session, we keep reminding you in the chat, but again, we cannot change it. Over
Yes,
to you, sir.
absolutely, ma'am. Thank you for taking charge. So, all of you, please do remember this thing. Yes, stream of study is your whatever you are doing right now. If you are doing engineering, put engineering. Okay. So now there are people who are asking about the username. So guys, please go to your this particular platform, mslearn.microsoft.com, that we have just completed before this, and then please click on this circle. Go to the settings. Okay. Go to the settings, and then see, for me also, Aman Srivastav, and then this number. See, Aman Srivastav without any space. This is your username. You need to copy this and paste it in the place of username. Okay? In the place. Okay? See, you need to paste this. Okay? You need to paste this here. Okay? You need to paste this here. Here. Okay? Okay? And I hope you got the point. So this might also you will be able to see. Okay? Please, it is clearly written here. So students can update their profile only once. Any further changes will be handled by admin. So you cannot do anything in this now. Whatever you have submitted, it's done. Yes, you need to put the full username. Name means Aman without any space, Srivastav. Then the number, what is there. You need to exactly copy and paste. No changes. No number only, no name only. In username, you need to put your name along with number. Okay. I hope it's done now. Highest level of education means your 12th. If you are doing your bachelor's, your 12th. If you are doing your master's, then your bachelor's. Okay. It'll say how to rest on Microsoft 5. Okay. So, Viral, we have already shared the link. Okay. Okay. And then you might be able to see this kind of interface. There, you have to put your mail ID. Okay. Then your password, then your CAPTCHA. Okay. Directly on login. No need to create the account. And then you need to fill all these details. Okay. And then we are here till now. I don't receive today's mail, which is contain the username and password, and also the I am not able to rest on LMS platform. Adarsh, did you receive the session details? Today's session details? The mail ID where you have received all these session details, na, that is your registered mail ID. Use that mail ID. Okay? There is nothing, there is no mail that contains your mail ID password. Password is simple, test@1234. This is for everyone. Test@1234. This is for everyone. Okay? You can change it later. For right now, this is for everyone. Test@1234. Okay? For everyone. Okay? So now, what you need to do is you need to change your password. Okay? You need to change your password. Okay? Okay? So please do change your password. If you are willing to do this right now, you can do it. If you are willing to do it later, you can do that as well. But it is recommended that you do it right now. Guys, for the people, those who are asking, sir, I didn't get the session email ID. There is no mail. There was no mail, nothing, no notification was there where your email ID and password are present. Okay? Okay, there was nothing like that. Okay? So just excuse me, everyone. Okay? So there is no ID password. Everything is already mentioned. Test@1234 is your password. Okay. Okay. So I hope you have recreated your password. Okay. Chalo. Yeah, thank you. Good one, Surivir. Okay. Okay. After filling all the details, I can't submit. Please do refresh and fill it again. You will be able to submit. Sometimes you know, you might face this error. This happens. Okay. Okay. Sir, by mistake, I selected bachelor's degree technical in highest level of education. It's submitted. What shall I do? You cannot edit it. It's done, guys. Okay. Wrong details in highest education. I know everyone. Even after continuous reminders, people have made the mistakes, but you cannot change the things, guys. There is a reason why it is like this, but you cannot change the thing. Okay. It's completely on admin how they will handle it. Okay. If your concern is too big, then automatically admin will do the needful. Otherwise, we cannot do you cannot do anything. There is no way in which you can edit it, as Kartika ma'am has made really clear. Okay. Chalo. Okay. Sir, if I entered the wrong details, won't be. Oh, okay. Chalo. Let me answer this question. So many people are asking this. So if you have entered the wrong detail, we need to check. Okay. First of all, please do attend. Okay. So in that case, please do attend all the sessions. Mark your attendance well, and let us see what we can do. Okay. By any chance, if you have filled the wrong details, let it be now. Okay, it should not be there, but let it be now, and let's see like what we can do. Okay, but please do fill your attendance form and everything. Okay, don't skip that part as please. Okay, stream of study is if you are doing engineering. If you are doing BA or something, arts. If you are doing some some other thing, put accordingly. Okay, if you are doing others. If it is not there in the list, put others. For most of the people, it might be BTech only. So engineering. I'm trying to log in registered with mail. It shows invalid credential. So registered mail is, guys, registered mail is nothing but that you have received your session details. Okay, so now I'm just moving towards other stuff. So guys, okay. So now I hope branch of specialization means in which you are doing your BTech. Put that. BTech, BE, whatever you are doing, in which subject you are doing it. Okay. No, Pankti. This is not okay. If your registration mail is something different, you won't be able to log in. Okay. So it cannot. They are not same, means something is wrong. Both registration mail in AICTE, where you have received the session details, and the email that you have used here right now should be same. Then only you will be able to log in. Okay. Chalo. So now I'm moving forward. So guys, can you see something like this on your screen? Recommended courses, AI skill navigator, navigator. Yes. Okay. So now let me open my FICE account as well. It would be easy for us to go through it. Okay. 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 Chalo. So now let me also log in. Okay. So this is my interface. Okay. So let me just do it. Sign up. Okay. This is what you have done till now. Okay. So simple. I hope you have done this part. Okay. See, this is my username. This is my registered mail ID. Okay. For Microsoft Learn. Okay. Then it is random, but it is like this. Then this is my mail ID that I have used for this. Then gender. Then date of birth. Almost everything is filled. See, highest level of education. I have done masters. Okay. Chalo. Then stream of study, engineering, year of passing, 2025. Okay, when I'll pass this. So let's I am assuming yours. So 2027, and then registration date done and submit. Done. So I missed some. I missed something. Okay. So highest level is not non-technical. Technical. ठीक है. Year of passing. Okay. So it was by default filled. Again, I need to fill. Okay. Then specialization, AML, Delhi, City, Delhi. Okay, done. Engineering, done. Everything is done. Nothing left. Submit. See, it's done now. Again and again, why it is coming like this? I think everything is done now. Yeah, everything is done. It is not accepting my credentials. I don't know why. Guys, it is working for you, right? So let's continue with the chalo. Okay, so these are your recommended courses. Okay, so these are your recommended courses. Okay, so you need to click on any one of them. Okay, you need to complete all of them first. Power BI. Okay, see, there is only one course in Microsoft Azure. There are total 3 courses. In Cloud Administration Engineering, there are 3 courses. AI/ML, there are 3 courses. Copilot, there are 3 courses. Okay, so you need to complete them one by one. Okay, so let's suppose you have started with the Power BI Data Analyst. For me, it is showing view course, but for you people, it will show enroll. So first you need to enroll, then it will show view course. Then you need to click on view course. Then it will show something like this. So you can see it is written 14% completed, and then it is written completed. So how you will achieve this tag? Okay, you need to achieve this tag for all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then automatically this will reach 100. And once it will reach 100, okay, once it will reach 100, you will see that this is your completed. Okay, so just like this, you need to complete others. So let me work with you and let's complete one more. Okay, so let's suppose I started with this one. Get started with Microsoft Data Analytics. So let's start this one. Okay. Okay. So I'm just completing with you only. Okay. Okay. So see, I have not even started this. So it will show me enroll now. Guys, one more thing. Please don't do with me. Okay. Now your work is over. Now your work is over. Okay. For the people, those who are registering right now, please do it. For the people, those who have registered now, please stay relaxed and please look here only. I'm just explaining you. So again, these are your recommended courses. This is your dashboard. These are your recommended courses, total 5. Okay. In each tab, there are different number of courses. So see, in Power BI, only 1. Microsoft Azure, 3. Cloud Administration and Engineering 2, in AI ML 3, in Microsoft Copilot 3. So I'm getting started with Power BI. So now in Power BI, there is only one. Okay, means you need to only complete one to get the certificate. Now let's start to click on View Course. Okay, see, it is showing one completed because I have completed. So how to get this tag? So let's start with this one. So once you will click here, there are 4 units. 4 units means module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. So you need to complete all these 4 modules to get the completed tag here. Okay, so let's start with the module 1. Let's suppose I have enrolled in this. So see, this is how it look like. Discover data analysis. So in this case, let's start doing this. I just suppose, see, I have enrolled in Power BI. Is it? Yeah. Guys, these all 5 courses are for you. Do whatever you want. 5 courses, 5 certificates. Done. It is like this. 5 courses, 5 certificates. It's done. Got it? So now, okay. So now, okay, I have started. You need to learn. Then you need to click on next. Then again, you need to learn. I am clicking on next because I need to show you. Okay, I am not explaining the things. I am just helping you to how you will be doing that. So read and then next. Then read. Then next. Okay. Then this. Okay. Then it will ask you to fill one assessment. Okay. Okay. So I'm just clicking it randomly, second of all the questions, and I'm checking your answers. So see, it is showing that I have marked 1 correct answer, 2 wrong. If you want to, redo that, you can. You can attempt it as number of times as you want. Now you need to click on next. Then it will show complete module. See guys, when you have completed the module, it is showing 1 achievement, right? You have earned an achievement, only 1 achievement. See, here also only 1 link. Okay, so now you have completed 1, good one. Second, so you have completed the module 1. Just like this, you need to complete the module 2. Okay, let's start with the module 2. So again, simply start. Okay, okay. Just imagine you have read this thing. Next, again read this thing. Next, and see, you have the hands-on part as well. Means you can literally follow these steps and you can create so many good charts and graphs. So then next, again, then learning different types of graphs. Done. Now it will again give you a few questions. Again, I'm selecting second of all of them. Then check your answers. Okay. See, I have marked 2 correct, 1 wrong. Okay. I can click on next and see. This is also done. And I got 1 achievement more. Okay. So how many times we have to do this? See, we have done for 2 times. We need to complete these 2. So now let's start with module 3. Let's start with module 3. And see, again, you need to start. Again, you need to start. Again, you need to click on next. Again, you need to click on next. Again, you need to click on next. See, again, I'm telling you why I'm directly clicking on next, because I am showing you, but you have to learn. Okay, you cannot just directly, then you will not learn anything. Okay, I'm just explaining you. Okay, then again, module test. I'm just again putting second option. So, okay, all of them are wrong. So if you want to retake, you can click on retake. Okay, then I will put 1, 2, 1. So let's see what is the correct answer. Oh, again, all of them are wrong. Okay, so you can again retake it. It's up to you. Okay, bad luck. So then you can complete module. Okay, so again, you have earned 1 achievement. So now there is only 1 achievement left. But guys, please do focus here now. Please do focus here now. Please do. Yes, you are allowed to enroll in multiple courses. You are allowed to enroll in multiple courses. Please do enroll in multiple courses. It's up to you. 5 courses, 5 certificates. Up to you. Okay. Now, in module 4, there is some twist. When you will click on this module 4, okay, when you will click on this module 4, again, you need to complete this. Start. Next. Okay. Again, reading. Next. Again, reading. Next. Again, reading. And next. So again, module assessment. So let's do with this. I'm clicking on second of every question. See, some are 2 are correct, 2 are wrong. So next. Okay. So now it is showing summary and complete module. Okay. There is a twist, guys. This time, see, in the first time you have received 1, again 1, again 1, and this time there are 2. Why there are 2? Because 1 is for this particular module and 1 is for this all 4 modules. So when you will click here now, when you will click here, when you will click here, see, you will be able to see that there are 2 achievements. So please ignore the first one. Please click the URL hyperlink of this. Click here, click here. And now when you will go to your LMS, see, there is one option. Upload achievements and credentials. Click here and paste. Okay. And when you will submit this, see, again I'm telling you, when you will complete them one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4. After, when you will reach 4, then you will be able to see 2 achievements. You have to ignore the first achievement, go with the second achievement and copy the URL. And then you have to paste that URL here. Click here and paste it. Once you will click here, okay, once you will click on submit, automatically you will get completed button. See, this is right. This is our tab. See, it is not having completed a tag. But now, see, when I'm clicking here and clicking on submit, see guys, this is how you will be able to get completed tag for other 3s. Okay, and see, it is also increased to 31. So once you will complete this now, automatically, will you get certificate? No. Why? Because then it will ask you to give an assessment of 20 questions. You have to give that assessment. You have to give that assessment. You have to give that exam of 20 questions. Okay. Then when you will submit that exam, automatically, okay, you will submit. But for you people, it might ask you to put your project, okay, your problem statement project. We will let you know everything. Please do forget about your project right now. We will tell you the problem statement. We will tell you how you have to create the project. Okay. Now there are so many people who are asking, sir, how many courses we have to complete? 1, 2, 3, or 4? 1 certificate per course. If you are completing 5 certificates. Done. Now, if you want to upgrade your resume with 1 certificate, do 1 course. If you want to upgrade your resume with 5 certificates, do all. Okay. Perfect. So this is how you need to go. Do it in our time, or we'll be able to timeline. Okay. So the timeline is for you till we complete this internship. Till we complete this internship, you have to complete all these courses. This is your timeline. You have to complete all these courses in the duration of your internship. And there's nothing like, that you have 4 days for Power BI, 4 days for Azure, 4 days for cloud application engineering, and 4 days for 4 days. No, you can take 7 days for Power BI if you want. You can take 3 days for Power BI if you want. Okay. Generally, anybody can complete Power BI in 3 days. Generally. Small courses are there. Okay. Anybody can complete Power BI in 3 days. Okay. Yes, retake is available. Retake exam assessment retake is available. I just shown you. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. So if anybody is saying, sir, I have completed this particular module already. If you have already completed these all 5, okay, then in that case, you need to do it again uh, uh, because we have to have this completed tag. Then only you will be able to get the assessment, and then you will be able to get the certificate. Okay. Okay. Year of passing of current education, highest level education is what you have already completed, means 12th. Highest level education means that is completed. If you are in BTech, my best wishes is like you will pass that this BTech, but we cannot consider this as your highest achievement, highest qualification. So highest qualification is 12th if you are doing bachelor's. You will get the certificate here only. Okay. Okay. I'll talk to him. Okay, Krishna. It's okay. It's okay, Krishna. It happens. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. So to get the proper certificate, you need to mark the attendance. You need to do everything. Okay. So now this is okay. So these are your 5 courses. Now, if you want to ask anything technical, non-technical, there is an option to raise a ticket. Okay. Option to raise a ticket. Okay. You can create a ticket and you can just raise it. Okay. There is a program overview. Okay. Where you can learn about a program, what is there in the program. There are some frequently asked questions. Okay. And then there is AI Skill Navigator. Now, in AI Skill Navigator, you will be able to see this kind of page. There you can click. Once you will click here, it will open one portal that you can see. There are some recommended courses that you can complete. Okay. Some quick courses are there that you can complete. And that's all about 2 registrations, guys. Okay. Now, I think we are good to go to start a technical thing. Yes, exactly. So to mark the attendance, we will give you the link. To give the feedback, we'll give you the link. Okay. But for the certificate, you need to complete the course. Okay. You need to fill the feedback form. You need to mark the attendance. This is how you will get the certificate. Yes. What about the attendance? So, Drishti, I request, can you please share the attendance link?
Sure, Aman, sure.
Yeah, thank you. So, meanwhile, Drishti is sharing the attendance link. Let me answer a few of your questions. Okay. Where and what type of project? Okay, guys, let's forget about the project right now. Okay. Do whatever is discussed. See, internship is not only for you, it's for us as well. Okay. If you are bound to complete the project, we are bound to give you the project. So automatically we will give you the project. Your duty is to make sure that you look into each and every update that is there in the Telegram group. If you are not following the updates, then you will miss out the things. If you are here in the entire session, if you are following the entire session, then everything is with you. What about the final internship certificate that you will get when you complete the internship? Okay. What are the lectures for? Now, it's interesting. So now onwards, everything will be technical. No registration, nothing. We have already recorded this session. You will get the recording. If by any chance you are enabled, you are facing any error, you can go through the recording, you can work on it. Okay. From now onwards, everything will be technical, everything will be related to AI, ML, Azure, Copilot, and whatever is there in the curriculum. Okay. No more overwhelming stuff. Okay. Okay. So, Drishti,
Yeah, hi sir. Students, you will get the attendance link just 5 minutes before the ending of the session.
okay. Wow. Okay. Thank you, Drishti. So, I think now we are good to continue to our technical session. Anybody who is interested in upgradation, who is interested in making his or her resume firm to as per the industry requirement should attend this internship. No if, but, when, nothing. Okay. Okay. As Drishti mentioned, attendance link will be shared. You all by 6:55 p.m. Okay. So till then you need to wait. Okay. So you will get the offer letter and joining letter soon. Okay. This will inform in the Telegram group. Okay. Chalo. So now let's start with the technical stuff. Okay. I know you guys are now tired enough. So let's continue with our technical stuff. Chaliye. So, okay. Each time the timing will be same. 4 to 7, 4 to 7, 4 to 7. Today was the orientation plus AI. Okay. That's why we have spent a much time on orientation so that it will be easy for you to get the certificates. But from now onwards, everything will be technical. Okay. Everything will be provided, guys. Everything will be provided for internship. Offer letter, certificate, everything. Just it's a duty that you keep all that looking into the Telegram group. Do not ignore any notification. Chaliye sahib. So okay, chalo. So let's start with the technical stuff. So are you guys ready? Can I get a thumbs up? Yes. Ready? All of you. There are above around 600 people. I want yes from everybody. Yes. Okay. By any chance, if you are having any sort of challenges, okay. ठीक है चलो I'm unable to register in LMS platform. Others, I'm using same ID in which received the session and the link for the session. Okay, still you are unable to register. Okay, Adarsh, we'll look this in when I'll send the attendance link. Na, in last 5 minutes, we'll look into your query. Okay, don't worry. Please focus right now in this PPT. Oh, sorry, in this technical aspect. Okay, chalo. Okay. It's okay. Don't worry, guys. If you are still having the any sort of issue, we'll check in last 10 minutes. Okay. Please focus on technical session, everyone. Okay. So guys, anything you know about AI? What is AI, guys? What is AI? See, these all the things we'll be covering today, even more than this. Chalo. So, can you tell me something about AI? Yes, Shivam, it is valid. Yes, it is totally free. Used to solve complex problems. What is AI, guys? Which makes things easy, machine learning, artificial intelligence, automatic tasks, manual intervention in day-to-day task. It's a machine, okay, where it is, a machine that can think like human, okay. Used for automation, brings, mimics human. It's a branch of AML. AI is create to create, think as humans, okay. It's a branch of computer science, okay. AI solve problems. Here's some, okay, what was that? Here's something that makes automated task and prediction and think like human, okay. AI branch focus on computer science or building applications, blah, blah, blah. Oh, no. Guys, please don't use ChatGPT to answer here. Yeah. I know ChatGPT knows the answer. I want your answer. Good, good, good. So now I can see really, really nice answers. Okay. So what exactly is the AI? So everyone, what exactly is the AI? So, okay, now let me speak. Now let me speak. AI is AI is there to do all the tasks. Guys, I got your answers. I got your answers. It's good. Okay. Most or 90%, 95% of you are correct. Okay. Okay. No, I cannot share this material. Please focus on the session right now. So, now I'm focusing on my content. Okay. I'm not looking into the chat. So please focus here. So AI is something that is there to replace humans where it should be. Means AI is not to replace humans where humans are really required. The place where humans are really required, AI cannot replace them. AI can replace them where humans should get replaced. Okay. I always give one example. Don't you think when humans created or invented the JCB, many of the people, many of the daily labor, they got fired from their land owners or from their zamindars, right? Right? Because a single JCB can do the work of around 10 or 100 people in a single hour, in 1 hour only. So what do you think? It was there to replace humans, right? No. Any achievement is there so that humans can do other stuff apart from the stuff that is can be done by machine. So machine that can train on a data and in such a way that it can think, learn, and solve problem like humans. That is AI. Okay. AI is to basically replace humans where they should be. Okay. So what are the characteristics of AI? Characteristics means what type of AI do you use? Deep learning means your chat GPT, your image generation, everything comes under deep learning. Facial recognition also comes under deep learning, but this is also another aspect. Automated task. Yes. Guys, so what do you think? Automating the task and uh, AI, are they are same or different? Automating the task and AI. Is it possible? Okay, okay. Let me change the question. Is it possible? Is it possible to automate the task without AI? Is it possible to automate the task without AI? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay. So now let me answer this. You can automate the task without AI. it will hardly require one simple loop, while loop or for loop, along with if else statement. And then you'll be able to automate the task. You have to just need you have to have some sensors. That's it. With the help of those sensors and using some coding and all, you'll be able to automate the things. But how AI is different from that? AI learns. Okay. So cloud computing is also an example of AI, because in cloud computing also we are using AI, and then chatbots. So all these things comes under AI right now. Then why AI is there? AI is there to increase the efficiency, okay, to automate the task, to improve the decision making, okay? Because if I'll ask you to analyze uh, the data, you can analyze it. You can use different graphs, different sort of things, Power BI, this, that, these, those, Python and all, EDA. So many things are there. I understand. We'll also do it. But but you you will require might be 10 hours, 15 hours, or 20 hours to complete this task. But AI can do it in few seconds. Okay? Okay. After few days, might be in next month, okay, or in next to next month might be, you will be having something related to Copilot as well, where we'll be teaching you how you can use Copilot in day-to-day life. Okay. Even without even sensor or any code, it is automated. For example, fan placed in soap production line to remove empty packaging that don't have soap. Yes, yes, Raj. Good one. Good example. So this is what I told you, na. So, but AI can also automate the things. Okay, but AI can automate the things smartly. You know, if I will integrate the AI in this fan, na, Raj has given really nice example, guys. Raj said, even without AI, also you can uh, automate the thing. Okay. So if you are putting one simple fan, okay, just imagine there is a production line, and there are so many packets of biscuit. So in some packets, if if the weight is too less, automatically that packet will remove. Automatically, with the help of that wind generated by the fan, it will get removed. Okay. But if it has the enough weight, it will not remove, and hence it is automating the things, right? It is automating the things. But how AI will help? If we can automate the things without AI, then why AI? There is the thing. What if what if we can notice if there is if there is some gap between different biscuits, we can turn the fan off automatically. We can turn the fan off automatically without using any sensor. Okay, without using any much sensor. There is a need of only one camera. That's it. It will work. So this is how AI enhance the things. AI does not just take over the things. It enhances. Then personalization. Then innovating healthcare. Then driving automation. So all these things comes under AI. How AI is personalized? We'll talk about AI agents in this session. Then how it can innovate the healthcare, how it can you right now there are so many different, even students used to create such projects where you can simply show the x-ray, okay, x-ray chart, and it will tell you exactly what is there in the x-ray chart. Okay, so this is how it works. And then driving automation, self-driving cars, Tesla and all. So what are the different applications in the industry? So as I told you, healthcare, finance, retail and e-commerce, automotive, manufacturing, entertainment, real estate. So lot of things are there. Then if I talk about the 10 milestones of the last 10 years, so you can see the first milestone was GAN, Generative Adversarial Network. generative adversarial networks are, helps us to generate the things. Means generate the text, generate the image, generate the sound, generate other stuff. Then milestone 2 was the Sophia, the robot. Then milestone 3, the audio generator, WaveNet. Then milestone 4, AlphaGo, okay, that actually has beaten World Score Championship, World Score Champion. Then milestone 5, the birth of deepfakes. Guys, are you aware about deepfakes? What are deepfakes? What are deepfakes? Sir, I'm curious, have you guys used AI for automating Google form information to give us the login ID, password, and pre-filled details in registration page in FI's website? Just a curious question. Okay, so for that, we don't need AI. Okay, we can simply do this task without AI. Okay, chalo. So deepfake, it is related to, no, it is not related to DeepSeek, guys. Hmm. Deepfake is related to image and video generation. Okay, deepfakes are nothing but your videos. Just imagine there is a video, there can be a video of mine teaching Sanskrit in my voice, in my tone, in my way, everything like mine, but in Sanskrit. How is it possible, right? You will see something like this in Azure. Okay, chalo. So now milestone 6, the transformer. Milestone 7, GPT-1. Milestone 8, AlphaFold, that actually wins protein folding contest. Protein folding means it's not like there is a packet of protein and it folded something. No, protein folding means protein molecule. It has folded it successfully. That AI as per the requirement. Okay. So then milestone 9, generative AI goes mainstream. Okay. Then mainstream means then people also started using it. And then in 2025, we released the GPT-5. Okay. Now there are different types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI is specialized in specific tasks. Okay. Specific task means automating. Okay. Specific task means, for example, right, these days in traffic, just below the traffic light, there is a camera. Okay. So whenever it catches anybody without helmet, it automatically it fetch the number plate information, and then you will have the challan. Okay, you have to pay the fine, or you might receive a fine. Okay, so this is the example of narrow AI, just a small use of AI. But in general AI, in general AI is an AI that is not present right now. Okay, in real world, general AI is not present. We are targeting to get one general AI. Artificial general AI, we are not having. We are targeting. And then super AI is something that is beyond human. So simple. This is human. This is human. Below it, narrow AI. Equal to it, general AI. Better than that, super AI. That's it. Okay. Then, what are the branches of AI? Machine learning, computer vision, NLP, and LLM. Okay. How many of you understand machine learning? How many of you know machine learning? What is it? What is machine learning? Let's start it one by one. Okay. Okay. What is machine learning, guys? What is machine learning? Branch of AI. What if I ask you, who are you? And you'll say human? This is my identity. I'm human. Such a Vedantic people I have. So, so yes, now I'm getting a really nice answers. Yes, good one, guys. So yes, Shiv, Keval, Raj, Shivam, Karm, Shesh, and so many people, so many people. We are having around 600 people. So it's good. Not 600, 550. So yes, good one, guys. So basically, yes, Dhruv, yes, Kushbu, you're almost correct, guys. Almost correct. I appreciate all of you. You are giving really nice answers. So machine learning, machine learning comes under AI. So So we will deep dive one by one. So first we have cracked what is AI. Now we'll crack what is machine learning. And then we will crack what are the types of machine learning. And then we'll crack into deep learning. Okay, one by one. So data science applications. So where do you use data science? Basically machine learning and all in business, healthcare and life science, finance and banking, e-commerce and retail, marketing and customer engagement, manufacturing and supply chain management, then energies and utilities, telecommunication, transportation and logistics, and social media entertainment. I don't think there is anyone, uh, okay, 90, more than 90% might be the people who are aware about all these things. Social media entertainment, transportation, telecommunication, energy and utilities, and all the things. Right now, whatever you can see around you, even the cricket match, data science is there. Data science is there, guys. So, machine learning life cycle. So, what exactly the machine learning is? Simple. As the word says, you have to make your machine learn. What it will learn? It will learn the pattern. Okay? How do we learn? We also learn the pattern. If you guys do remember when you were kid, uh, if you have, if you had a tuition teacher or someone, or your parents might be, when they asked you to just learn few question answers, or when they asked you to learn few fill in the blanks or something, this has happened with me especially. So I used to ask him, okay, so answer number one is this, answer number two is this, answer number three is this. Oh, but then they say, hey, I asked you question. Why are you asking me number? Do you remember this kind of trouble we had? I had it personally, and I have seen so many students they had this. They generally learn and mug up all the answers in a sequential manner. So if somebody is asking in between, so they cannot answer. They know, like, if first answer is this, second answer is this, third answer is this. Yeah, exactly. So this is how machine also learn. Machine also learns the pattern. So which pattern it will take, it depends upon the problem statement and your data. Okay. So generally, there are two types of data. Okay. There are three. Okay. But broadly, two: structured and unstructured. In structured data means proper tabular format. Proper tabular format. No, no sentences, no pictures, no audio, no video. Proper, either numerical, either categorical. Nothing more than that. Not more than two or three words in a column. Not more than that. Okay? Because we cannot categorize more than that. So this is how machine learning trains in a well-structured data. Then we have to have some data preparation. Data preparation means we gather the data. In industry, whenever we gather the data, we never get nice data. It always creates a blunder. So then we need to do some data wrangling. Data wrangling means removing the nulls, checking out the the outliers. Okay, we need to check out whether this data is suitable, whether we need to remove some columns, whether we need to add some columns for the better implementation of the model. Then we analyze the data, whether this data is skewed. Skewed means we'll talk more about this in the machine learning when we'll understand machine learning. But more or less, this is how we do. Then we analyze the data, whether that data is skewed. Skewed means it is biased. So if it is biased, then it will generate biased responses and then trained. Okay. Then we start training. Then we choose the best model. Okay. Then we choose the best model and we choose the best model and we check the accuracy and then we test it. Then again we choose the model. Then again we test it. Then after choosing the best model, we deploy it. And then after some time, we need to repeat this whole process again. This is how machine learning lifecycle works. And there are three types of machine learning. First, supervised. Second, unsupervised. Third, reinforcement. In supervised machine learning is all about what? Supervised machine learning is all about just like you guys understand mathematics. How do you learn mathematics? First, your teacher make you guys learn through examples. First, they will solve an example in front of you. First, they will say, hey, practice the examples that are given in the book. Okay, examples means question and answer. Both are given in the book. First, try to solve the example. Then once you become capable to solve the examples, then you can attempt exercise. Once you will perform really good in exercise, then we'll take your test. And this is the same pattern for supervised learning. In supervised learning also, we give labels. Labels means examples. Okay, we give labels. Then when yes, making machine learn through label data. Exactly, Mohi. So this is what it is all about. So label data and labels. So just imagine I have given this thing. Hey, okay, these are three red colored vegetables. These are some orange color vegetables. Okay, that has some length. Okay, and this is some green color vegetables. So now I told him, hey, this long vegetable, orange color is carrot. This round vegetable with a green leaf just above it is a green petal. Above it is tomato, and then the green one is bell pepper. Okay. The green one is bell pepper. So we have given this. So now he analyzed, okay, it has red color. It is round. It has some green petal, some kind of thing that is covering. Okay. Okay, this is tomato. Three things I've covered. Okay. So if it is round, then the more chances are there it is tomato. If it has some length, more chances are that it is radish. Okay. And then three leaves are there. But in tomato or bell pepper, there are no three leaves. So this is understanding the pattern. If this is there, then this is the answer. This is there, then this is the answer. This is there, then this is the answer. This is how we learn patterns. Okay. Making AI to perform how you want it to perform by giving data for how you are asking or you are explaining. Okay. 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 So labels. Okay. And then models, and then it predicts. Okay. And then after it learns, we check the learning path. Okay, it is learning well. It is able to solve the examples. Good. Then it has practiced some exercise as well. Good. Let's test it. Let's test it. So now we'll give three questions. What is this? What is this? What is this? And the task for the machine learning model is to predict what is this. So this is carrot, this is bell pepper, this is tomato. This is how supervised machine learning works. Now unsupervised learning. So unsupervised learning is a learning where you do not require label data. It's not like we don't give the label data. even the problem statement itself doesn't require the label data. For example, what kind of problems we face when then we use unsupervised learning? Let me give you an example. So just imagine there are around 550 people, and I have chosen any one of them. You can consider yourself. So I have chosen you. Okay, you can consider yourself. Okay, and I have chosen you. Hey, can you please divide all these participants into different groups? Okay, what is the criteria to create a group? Okay, so for the people, those who have received, okay, those who have completed one certificate till tomorrow, keep them in one group. Those who will complete two certificates till tomorrow, keep them in one group. 3, 4, 5. So total how many groups? 5 groups. Okay. So do you need any example for this? To do this task, do you need any example? Okay, sir, first you do, then we will follow. First you choose few people, count their certificates. If they have completed one course, you please do this, then we'll do other 4. Or please do tell us about 3, then we'll do 2. No, I don't think there is any example required, right? So how you can do this? You can simply see, oh, it has only one certificate, this group. It has 2 certificates, this group. It has 3 certificates, this group. It has 4 certificates, this group. 5. So this is just an example of unsupervised learning. So it always depends upon the problem statement, guys, which machine learning model you are putting. Okay. And there are different algorithms for different purpose. Okay. So now we will discuss about the next thing, and then we'll discuss what sort of problems do we solve in supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement learning. Okay. So now let's move towards reinforcement learning. Okay. Now reinforcement learning. So the best real life scenario is consider a robot. Guys, consider a robot. Okay. So how robot is trained? Okay, you have a robot. Okay. So now let's take yourself. Let's take yourself. You are in a dark room. You are in a dark, empty room. Okay. You even don't know that it's empty. You don't know anything. You don't know literally anything. You cannot spot a light. You cannot spot a light. You cannot see anything. It's completely dark. Now, how you will move? How you will move? You will, yeah, you'll take, you will try to move with a wall. This is the first option that we do. You will try to move with a wall. And if you see, okay, oh, I got a shock. Okay, I'll not go with this wall. Okay, let's change the wall. Let's move somewhere else. Oh, there's a window. I'm on the 6th floor. What is the use of window? Oh, nothing. Let's move towards the door. Then you will see some fridge. Oh, again empty. Nothing is there. Move somewhere else. But by the time one by one, you will be able to see. Okay, just imagine that is your room only. That is your room only. So now just beside your sofa, there is a door. So now your first target is to find a sofa. So if you are touching something that is near your sofa, automatically you will think, oh, I'm going closer. I'm going closer. You will give your points. I'm going closer. But if you are doing in another direction, if you are moving towards window, and you know that window is totally the opposite side of the door, automatically what you will do? You will put the penalty. Hey, I don't need to go to right side. I should go to left side. Oh, if I'm going to left, I'm going again in different direction. I need to take, somewhere between right and left. Let's go forward. This is how reinforcement learning works. Means hit and trial, trial and error, this and that. This is the example of reinforcement learning. It is based on penalty and reward based strategy. Exactly, Sahil. Exactly, Neon. Reward and penalty system. Good work, Anurag. Exactly. Right? So this is how reinforcement learning works. Now, let's discuss what type of problems do we solve with supervised learning. We do solve two types of problem. First, regression. What is regression problem? Regression problem is when you need to predict something, when you need to predict a numerical data. Numerical data can be anything. It can be temperature. What will be the temperature if you will see if you will see this is the sea level, if you will see this is the the moisture, okay, if you will see uh, uh, some other things, right? If you have, okay, there are two types of temperature. One is temperature, one is feeling temperature. So yeah, now you need to predict feeling temperature. So for that, you have the temperature, you have the moisture, you have this, you have that, and now predict the temperature. Now predict the feeling temperature. Okay, this is the example of prediction, regression. Apart from this, let's take an example. Okay, you are having a second-hand car. You are having a car, and now you want to sell it. So how will you sell it? You will first look into the condition. Okay, door are not getting door are they are bad. Average is good still, but backside the seat is really bad. I need to make it clean. Okay, sometimes door doesn't close really good. Oh, sometimes AC doesn't work. But the cameras of car are working good. It is petrol car. It is diesel car. Oh, it is EV. Okay. So this is how you will analyze all the things, and then you will say, okay, after analyzing, I think, and I only use it for 5 years, and I purchase it for 15 lakhs. At least I deserve 10 lakhs. Let's suppose I'm just throwing a random number. Let's suppose I think I should go for 10 lakh. Okay. So this is how you reached till 10 lakh. You analyzed all different points. But there is a human limit. You can analyze 4, 5 points, 6 points, let's say 10 points. But what if there are 50 parameters? Do you think that you will be able to analyze 50 parameters and then you will predict a correct word? No. Hence, you need machine learning. So when you predict something numerical, this is regression problem. But just before, right? Just before this, we have discussed something like this, right? This was the example for classification problem. When you classify the thing, means when you predict something numerical, it is regression problem. When you predict something categorical, it is classification problem. Okay? Classification means uh, if okay, it's like solving a puzzle. Okay, it has two cylinders, this BHP engine, 40 Nm of torque, this high speed. Which bike is this? And this is the price. Which bike is this? Classification problem. This might be a roadster bike. Oh, 40 Nm torque. This might be a KTM 390. This might be a racing bike as well, sports bike as well. Classification, right? So now, this is the example. So in regression, see, what will be the house prices be like in my town in next year? Next year, what will be the house prices be like? So let's suppose it's $208,000, $208,000. And now we need to classify whether it is affordable or not. So these are the example of regression and classification. Then these are the algorithms. So guys, machine learning, deep learning, AI is nothing without mathematics. is nothing without mathematics. If you don't understand mathematics, you cannot understand the machine learning or deep learning. So in order to understand the AI, you need to start respecting mathematics and start learning mathematics. Even if you don't know how to do it, how to do that, still you need to start learning mathematics if you need to do something really good. And we'll also teaching you in this particular internship something about mathematics so that it will be really easy for you to understand the algorithm. So these are the different algorithms that we'll go through in detail when you will practice when I'll teach you basically supervised and unsupervised. Okay, then we'll do practice. Otherwise, you can just take a look. These are the regression problems. These are classification, and these are nothing but clustering problems. Okay, algorithms for these problems. Yeah, Apple is equal to truth. Good one, Neon. Then large language models. Now this is another aspect of large language models. So when we have started, guys, by how we have started? We have started with AI. Then we reached till machine learning. Then we reached till supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning. And now we are reaching to deep learning. Okay. And deep learning, the best example is LLM. Okay. So LLM, what are LLMs? LLMs are nothing but large language models. Okay. LLMs are nothing but large language models. Will you teach the practical application of these algorithms? Of course. This was your first session. That's why we have made it in a lighter version. But by the time you will see something something hands-on. Okay, you will see some code part. You will see some projects. Everything you will see. Okay, just wait and see. So now, yeah, thank you, Aditya. So now, large language models. So what are large language models? Large language models that work on really large data set. Okay, really large data set. How it works? So basically, the best example is, how many of you have used ChatGPT or Gemini or Perplexity? How many of you have used ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, or something? We all. I got the first answer like we all. Good one, Shiv. So not me. It's okay. It's okay if you have not used it. It's okay. So in ChatGPT, what you do? You simply type a prompt, and it gives you the answer. But how it works? Have you ever tried to get the thing how it works? So first of all, how it works is what it do is, okay. The first thing what it does is that it converts that prompt. It converts that prompt. It converts that prompt. Whatever you have given. Just imagine I have given, tell me something about India-America relations. Simple. Recent news about India-America relations. Simple. Okay. Now, what it will do? It will convert all this whole sentence into small tokens. Now, what are tokens, sir? Small tokens means sentence is a collection of words. So means word is a token. Yes. This is a twist. So one word can be one token, or sometimes two words can become one token, or sometimes if word is too large, we can have two tokens from one word. So there is no hard and fast rule that you can consider, only 5 letters will be of one token. No, it's not like that. It's totally up to the engineer. So once you will become the Gen AI engineer, you will decide the length of token. Okay. Then it converts that token into numbers. Means imagine, tell me something about India and America. Oh, sorry, tell me the recent news about India and America. That's it. So it will convert tell to number, me to number, something to number, about to number, India to number, and to number, America to number. Okay. Then it will do match whatever is there in his training data. So it will match, okay, this is the number that is matching with this number. And now let's explore this. And this is how it will give your output. So it converts first into tokens to numbers. Numbers are nothing but the vectors basically, and then it matches the vectors that are already there, and then it gives you the output, right? So now, what are AI agents, right? What are AI agents? So AI agents are nothing but they are the small part of this big LLM. So any LLM has everything, any LLM has large amount of data. I told you, na, any LLM works on tons of parameters, billions of parameters. Okay, tons of articles, tons of encyclopedia, tons of books. But what if you need something that is related to only one subject? You want to learn something about, let's say, travel. Okay, you generally you travel a lot, and you want to have one simple LLM that can help me in traveling only, that can suggest some travel related stuff, that can suggest some good destination based on my budget, that can allot some budget, that can help me to create an itinerary, create a plan, okay, decide the transport and all. Okay, I don't want an whole LLM that is there to, yeah, assign a role to an agent for particular task. That's it. That's it. Okay, it's like a LIC agent. So if it's a LIC agent, it will only sell all the policies of LIC. It won't sell anything about Bandhan Bank. This is all about AI agent. Okay. Now, generative AI. What is generative AI? Generative AI is something that generates something. Any AI that generates even text. So, sir, means Chat GPT is a generative AI? Yes, it is. Nano Banana is a generative AI? Yes, it is. So all these things are comes under generative AI. AI that generates something from his own intelligence. That is generative AI. Okay? Or it can be anything. Don't think like, okay, if it is generating image, then only it is generative AI. If it is generating text, if it is saying, hey, hi, Aman, this is not generative AI. No, it is generative AI. It is generating text here. So it is generative AI. Then, okay, so here is the simple, normal website, playground.ai. You can just explore it. Okay. So there you can create images, realistic cartoons, 3D, digital art. Okay. So you can have, you can have something. So please do remember this, playground.ai. Okay. Okay. Good one. Chalo. So now let's talk about the Gen AI tools. Okay. So Gen AI tools are, there are so many Gen AI tools. Means, uh, so please share these notes on Telegram. Please, please. I cannot share this PPT, guys. This notes and all. Okay. But the best part is whatever I'm telling you right now, we have made you register on two platforms. The content that is present in those two platforms, okay, is much, much, much better. Better means since it contains the course for 5 days, 6 days, 25 hours of course, 30 hours of course, hence it has a lot of stuff. Please go through that. That's why we have spent around 2 hours, 1.5 hours approximately on the registration only. I have not registered. Okay, you will get the recording as Drishti mentioned. You will get the recording and then you can register and then you can have. Okay. So these all are Gen AI tools: text to text, text to image, image to text, image to 3D, image to video, text to video, text to code, image to science, text to speech, speech to text, and speech to speech. So all these are different LLMs that you can simply, explore it. You can simply type any one of them. You can simply type, you all know GPT. Some of you might know Llama as well. Some of you might know uh, Claude as well, Dolly, Imagen, 11 Labs. So, okay. Now, Agentic AI. Hey, are you playing active passive with us? Just before this, there was AI agent, and now you are saying something agentic AI. What is the difference? In AI agent, you basically just get some stuff. You can get an image, or you can get help from like email writer agent, travel planner agent, or something. But in agentic AI, you not only get the information, it also works for you. You are not getting only the information, it also works for you. So just imagine, I have two agents. First, AI agent, second, agentic AI, and both for the same purpose, to suggest me some really good hotels. Okay? To suggest me some really good hotels. Okay? Now, AI, what AI agent will do? AI agent will serve all the things and it will give me the best output as possible. But how agentic AI will work will? It will not only select the best one, it will also write an email or whatever you will, provide input on the basis of that. So if I'm providing input, hey, agentic AI, please find the best hotel based on this budget. Okay, it should near the beach side. And once you see something like this, please send the mail to that person, or send a text SMS to that person and take the number from his official website. Done. So it will do automatically, it will fetch all the data and do all the stuff. And this is agentic AI. AI agent is nothing but uh, Kush, actually, like I'll not take all the sessions. Okay. There are some other people. So I was here for just, okay. Now only, I might take one more, but others, they will be handled by some other people. Okay, so this is about agentic. I hope you have understood the difference between generative AI, agentic AI, and AI agent. Generative AI that generates something. Agentic AI is for a specific task, but sorry. AI agent is for a specific task, but agentic AI can also perform the things autonomously, proactively, following the instruction. Okay, good one. Yes, you will get the recording. Okay, how you will get the recording? In the Telegram group. Okay, so for now, okay, thank you so much. Okay, and I appreciate all of you. So now it's a time, if you have any sort of query, yes, attendance link. Attendance link. So just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. This TA is about to send the attendance link. Meanwhile, if you are having any sort of query, please put. If you are having any query that is not answered yet, there were people who were continuously asking so many queries. Now put one by one, we'll take care of it. 000, no queries. Today's session is too good. Oh, thank you. Especially technical. I know. Even guys, everybody gets bored in this first 1.5 hour. I know that all of us get bored, but we cannot do anything because it is important. It is the most important thing, because without doing that, you won't get a certificate. Even if you are attending all the sessions and completing all the things, nothing will be there. So the registration is really important. We have no query. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, please don't leave. Dristy is about to send oh, she has already sent. Okay, day one attendance link. Please do fill. Okay, and let me show you how you can do that. Let me show you how you can do that. So, see, guys. So simply, what you need to do. See, Microsoft Elevate G2 internship, January to April 2026. Today's date, time, everything, and now simply click on Mark Me Present. That's it. No click, nothing. Click on Mark Me Present. That's it. So it will only work for the people, those who have registered on MS Elevate LMS. Okay. Just suppose if I am not having the ID, just suppose if I log out and again if I click, okay, again if I click, it will ask me to register or it will ask me to login password. So in that case, I need to give first login password, then I click on remember me and then I log in. Okay. Okay. So again, it will not come, means again I have to click on the link. So this happens for the people. If they are not having the, if they log out some due to some reason or automatically, then in that case they need to log in first. Then again they need to click the link. Then they will get this. Okay. So please simply click on mark me present. That's it. Nothing else. Simply click on mark me present. Simply click on mark me present and that's it. Okay. Guys, so this was the first thing. Secondly,
Aman sir, I hope we are sharing the feedback form as well.
yeah, feedback form is also there, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, guys, this was about the attendance link, and now let me open the feedback form as well. So this is the feedback form, guys. Okay. So this is completely for you. Okay, you can start now by using this. Simply see your enrollment number, name as per the GTU enrollment, current semester, your institute, your email ID, your contact number, question, okay, or then date of session means today's date, simply, okay, put today's date and how was your overall experience, and then please do rate the session. Okay, it is that easy. So what I have done, I have simply clicked on, oh, where it is. Yeah, I have simply clicked on the feedback form link. Okay, it got open like this, and then simply click on start now. Done. Put your enrollment number and all the details. I don't think there is any detail that you don't know. I don't think. Okay. Please fill both the things. Why? This might, seems like it is optional. No. Filling both feedback form and attendance link in attendance will both mark as attendance. Okay. This is the reason why we are, asking you to fill both the things. You need to click on mark me present here as well, and you need to fill this feedback form as well. This will count as first attendance, both the things. Okay, this is the reason the date option is there for, date option is there for feedback form as well. You need to put the date as well. You need to put the overall experience in today's session. It's not the general form, right? So please fill all these things. Okay. Okay. Yes, it is mandatory to mark both. What to write in username? Where? Acha, okay. In the registration you're talking about. So in registration, username is this. This is your username. Okay. That I asked you to copy. This is your username. Please done. Please done. This is just copy and paste there. Simple.
Aman sir, the students who have been asking us for the offer letter, I've been getting a lot of chats, messages. Students have been requesting for offer letters. Students, you might have received a confirmation email with schedule and the entire details, your invite link and everything. Kindly treat this as your offer letter. We will not issue any specific offer letter for this internship program. You may get it from your college or from our end. Please treat the confirmation mail as your offer letter.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So what to write in question feedback? So if you have any sort of thing for
Let
us,
me check. Let me check, Aman. Let me check. I think that's the question needs to be removed. Yeah.
this one.
Yes, question 7 needs to be removed. Let me check.
Okay, guys, you can just for now, you can please keep it on hold.
Meanwhile, students, you can fill, if you are having any question, you can write that, or if not, you can just write NA over there. It's fine.
Yes, guys, please do the needful and let's complete this. You can simply put NA. If you are not having any question, put NA. If you are having question, ask right now. Yes, if you have filled the form, if you have marked the attendance, then I think we are good to close the call. If any more questions, any more doubts, so we have submitted weekly assessment with okay, what? See as a part of project report which we have submitted in college and in GUT as well, GTU as well. How you will provide it, sir? Any inputs on this?
Yes, Aman. What was the question? Can you please repeat it again?
Yeah, sure. Like we will have to submit weekly assessment with authority sign and seal as a part of project report, which we have to submit in college and in GTU as well. How you will provide it?
Students, the weekly, you can check that with your college. Your assessments will be done in the during your internship only. We are not going to do any weekly assessments, but yes, you need to stay there. We'll be letting you know for the assessments updates. We are not doing any weekly assessments as of now. You can check with your college. I've been getting a lot of questions on the external, the company's name or the external supervisor, something like that.
External guide details.
Yes, external guide details. We'll share you that in the Telegram group. We are yet to get that. You might be getting questions like company details, company contact details, and external expert name and contact. We will be sharing that in your Telegram group.
So can we mark the attendance till EOD? Yes, you can. Uh, but if you have not registered till now, please do the registration. Okay, and you can take help from your college mates. Okay, and we'll upload this session recording as soon as possible, so you can take help from that as well. But please do mark the attendance because it is the mandatory thing.
Yes.
Okay.
Again, I would repeat, if any requirements on offer letter which needs to be submitted to a GTU, you can please submit the screenshot of the email you have received. So this is as per GTU itself. So the email confirmation which we have shared in your registered email address, this mark, treat that as your offer letter.
What about wrong educational info filled in FICE form? Guys, you cannot edit it now. By any chance, if you have filled it, anything by mistake, I understand, but you cannot edit it. There is no other option. Yes, you have to enroll the courses and please start as soon as possible. Guys, see, uh, please, you know, take it take it as a self-paced learning and self-motivated learning, right? It's not like uh, a degree or something where we are asking you to complete few courses and on the basis of that we'll take your exam and then on the basis of that we'll give the certificate. Okay. Certificates is totally up to you. If you are completing it, you'll get the certificate. If you are not completing it, you're not getting certificate. If you're not getting certificate, means you don't know anything. You are not, your resume won't get selected. You won't get job. It is as simple as this. So please do complete, do learn, create projects, attend the session, complete all the prerequisites, follow the guidelines, and uh, be active, okay, on the Telegram as well. Whatever inputs are, whatever notifications or whatever updates are, happening. So please do enroll and please do complete it as well. Okay. So these things are mandatory, hence it is required. Okay. Guys, please don't ask you have mistakenly submitted the wrong stuff or something. Now we cannot edit it. It is as simple as this. Okay. I'll check with the admin. If we can do something, we would. But if we cannot, it is already, it was already mentioned before, submitting the form, right? Yes. Drishti has shared the feedback form and attendance link one more time. Please do fill it if you have not filled till now. Otherwise, others are like up to you. I think we are good to close the call if we are okay with it.
Yes, Aman, I think we can close the call. Students will have the next sessions on Friday, that is 23rd of January. The same time, 4 to 7, the same link. The recordings will be available in the Telegram group. That's it from our end. Thank you so much, students, for joining. Thank you, Aman sir. Thank you, Drishti.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you have enjoyed the session and see you guys someday. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.